Let's get started with product number 1, and I'm talking about the ultra light travel hammock. Although the ad creative is, in my opinion, extremely boring and also super slow pacing, I feel like this product has a lot of potential, and here's why. First of all, the engagement on this ad is really good. It has 6,600 likes and also 1,700 shares. In the comment section, people were actually claiming that they purchased this particular product. The main reason why I believe this product is so good, because it solves a very common problem. When you go camping in the woods or when you just want to relax with this hammock in your garden, it's usually summer and mosquitoes are everywhere. And when you relax in your hammock or when you go to sleep in your hammock after a big adventure day, you don't want to be bothered by mosquitoes. And of course, the mosquito net is the solution to this problem because it keeps all the mosquitoes away and lets you sleep or relax peacefully. Super light hammock comes with this little bag, which is super handy because this huge hammock just fits inside. When you go camping or traveling, you don't want to carry a lot of stuff and you don't want to carry a lot of weight, so it's super convenient. Here's the website of the seller. In my opinion, it's extremely basic, extremely simple, but what I like about it is that he's actually upselling the hammock with some more camping equipment in order to boost its revenue. I think it's really smart. The seller is selling the product for $55 on AliExpress. You get it for around $15, which leaves you with a margin of $40. And my 5 Facebook ads recommendations for this product are hammock camping, camping, RV camping, hammock, and adventure travel. Product number 2 is this multifunctional kitchen tool. This is another problem and solution product just because they work so well. As you know, cutting vegetables or fruits takes a long time, and I believe there's nobody really enjoying this process. But with this kitchen tool, you can cut vegetables and also fruits in just seconds, and it's also super easy to wash them with this device. And as you can see, this ad gets crazy engagement, 2 million views, 20,000 likes and almost 3,000 comments. And what I also love about this product is the long-term potential, because cutting vegetables, cutting fruits is going nowhere and something super annoying that we have to do basically every day. This particular seller is selling the product for $35. On AliExpress you get it for $15 up to $18, and it's getting really good reviews on AliExpress, which is a good sign. So your margin is roughly going to be $20. And guys, my 5 Facebook ads recommendation for this product are motherhood, kitchen, housewife, cooking, and cooking channel. And product number 3 is also a really interesting one. I have never seen it before, and it's the braid machine. If you ever braided somebody else's hair, you know it's a very lengthy process. It takes a lot of time and also energy, I believe. But with this machine, you can just do it within seconds. When I clicked on the link of the ad, which got really good engagement by the way, I saw that this seller is not even selling in the United States, which leaves you with great potential. And also the website doesn't look really good because the seller just copied pictures from AliExpress onto his website. Also, I can't see any reviews on his product page, so there's a lot of room for improvement. I would definitely recommend to create a really nice website for this product because I think it has great potential, and I would sell it for $49. On AliExpress you get it for $18, which leaves you with a margin of around $30. And of course, here are my 5 Facebook ads recommendation: motherhood, braid, hairstyles for girls, girly girl, Barbie, parents with preteens. Let's move on with product number 3, and it's the hand pain machine. And guys, products that provide the solution to a physical pain point that some people might have, they always work extremely well. But let's check this out first. The ad claims that this product is promoting blood circulation and is relaxing muscles, it's helping to relieve arthritis, and it's helping to relieve finger stiffness and numbness. And this ad really got a ton of engagement, which is good because it provides us with data to see if this product is actually working. And in the comment section I saw that people are actually purchasing this product and people are liking it, which is a really good sign. After checking out the website of the seller, I realized that not only the ad creative looks really nice, really high quality, but also the website looks extremely good. You can use this product page as an example for a good product page. The pictures are really high quality and look really organized. The ad copy on this product page is very well written and focuses on a big idea. Also, there's not too much text, so when you scroll through the product page, you can really get the idea what you can use this product for. The seller has 250 reviews, which is nice because it really gives you the social proof when you go to a new website. You want to see some reviews so you know you can trust the seller. And also the seller is doing the buy more, save more, which I've personally made really good experiences with. So overall, really nice website, and he's selling the product for $99. On AliExpress, you can see that this product is actually getting a lot of really good reviews, which is always a good indicator that we have a nice product. And you get it for $55 on AliExpress, which leaves you with a great margin of $45, so you have a lot of room for marketing costs. And my 5 Facebook ads recommendation for this winning product are Old Age, age, arthritis awareness, assisted living, physical therapy, and joint stiffness. Let's move on with product number 5, and it's the Mosquito killer lamp. And this is an electric lamp, and in my opinion it kind of looks like a Wi-Fi router, and it attracts mosquitoes, traps them, and exterminates them. And of course this product is super convenient during the current summer months, so if you want to sell this product, do it right now. I found this product in the AliExpress dropshipping center, and in this dropshipping center you can see the dropshipping orders on AliExpress. And right here you can see the dropshipping sales data of this particular product. So here you have the evidence that this product is working out, so do it right now. I found one seller who's selling the product for $35, but on AliExpress you can get this product for as low as $3, which leaves you with a margin of $32. And last but not least, my 5 Facebook ads recommendations for this product are parenthood, motherhood, insecticide, backyard, insect repellent, insect trap. Make sure you get going with these products, and also that you hit the like button so you get all AliExpress and product links that you saw in this video, and I really hope to see you next time.